salmon patties today, and then first you clap the ends up there. One. I don't know how to do this. I never did it before. I'm doing. Oh. I got my next we put in a salmon. What do I use? I need a
Oh, my bad.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh! I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Now 1 teaspoon of corn. I don't know how to pour this on. This much. A little more. Okay. That's good. Yeah. 1 teaspoon of white sugar.
White flour.
I mean white flour. White flour. Get it. Stop, Sky. Oh, did it. A little bit of black pepper. Is that enough?
A little bit more.
Okay.
More.
Okay.
More.
More.
That's probably good.
Now a little bit of onion powder. Yeah. Onions are gross. Oh no,
That's good. That's good.
I smell it. Oh no. Now smell. Ah, it smells good, but not with the onions on it. Like that. Don't take your head in it. Onions are super gross to kids. Just telling you guys that. So we have to start it. Yeah. Give me some way. Right, here's the half part. Here's yours here. I stuck in my area. Give it yours area. This is my area.
You can't eat it like that. We gotta cook it.
Why? I only want to eat it like this. This was so good. If you tell me what's suspicious about this, and no fish bones. Now we are going to put in the fish that we put in that bowl, and we're gonna pour it in here. I don't know what that. I think it's called oil. I don't know what it's called. So yummy. Can't believe I have beans. So many beans I can't eat. But I'm having easy because I can't eat all these beans bread. For the videos, I'm going to eat all the salmon patties. Because both guys. And see, look. You do that, and then put it in your mouth. Like that situation is I love my mommy and daddy. And that way, I get a thumbs up all the time when I say a video. And I'm eating all these. So I go eat all my beans and all my salmon patties. Okay? So I love these beans and I love my patties. Just wait, I'm using it with my fork and you do thumbs up if you like my video.